Hey curl friends, I'm back with another video. Guys, I think it is super important right now to support Black owned businesses. So I've decided to pair it with a Black owned beauty supplier to bring you guys a brand new video. Silk and Satin Online Beauty has everything you need for your healthy hair essentials. She has Aunt Jackie products, Main Choice, As I Am, Mael, Eco Styler Gel, tools to keep your hair looking amazing. So totally check out this video and enjoy. Hey curl friends, welcome back to my channel. Today guys, my video is being sponsored by Silk and Satin Online Beauty Supply. I'm gonna show you guys how you can wash your hair. I'll even be breaking down with you guys how to detangle your hair properly using the Detangling Brush. I'm gonna show you how you can use this tool to properly detangle your hair without any problems, without any concerns. I got you. Woo. This is what my hair looks like after it's freshly washed. Continue watching to see how you can use the healthy hair essential products from Silk and Satin Online Beauty. So I'm gonna start my hair off in 4 different sections. Before I add any product, I like to get it wet with water so that my hair can absorb the product that I use. I'm going to add the Design Essential Natural Almond and Avocado shampoo. And I'm gonna add a generous amount to my hand because my scalp is crazy dirty and I wanna make sure that I'm giving it all the love that it needs. Now as I add the shampoo, I have my hair in 4 sections because it helps me really just focus on my scalp and not worry about the ends of my hair. I'll do that later on. But my focus here is to ensure that my scalp is cleansed. And so I like to keep it in 4 sections because it's easier for me to focus on the scalp. So after I wash, I take down my hair and then I will rinse my hair out with water. As I rinse it out with water after taking down the little plaits, it helps me to allow the shampoo to actually flow from my roots to my tips, and that helps me cleanse the rest of my hair. All of the products in this video were sponsored and sent to me by Silk and Satin Online Beauty Supply. You can use my promo code CURLFRIEND15 to get 15% off your first order. So I'm really ensuring in this moment, guys, that I'm allowing my hair to get rinsed all the way through, and that allows the shampoo to also cleanse the ends of my hair. So normally when I detangle my hair, I'm in the shower. But for this tutorial, I'm gonna break down how to use the detangling brush. I'm gonna use this on my hair and show you how the proper way you should detangle. Okay, let's keep watching. Also, have you subscribed? What are you waiting for? Totally subscribe. All right, so here we go. I believe the best way to detangle is to make sure your hair is wet and moisturized. So let's make sure it's nice and wet. And I'm gonna take my hair in sections, all right? So let's just do the bottom. As I put my conditioner in, I am applying it to the entire part of my hair, a little different from when I washed it. But when I'm conditioning, I put the conditioner all over from the roots. Make sure your roots is getting love, okay? To the ends. Now after I apply my conditioner with my detangling brush, so I like to start from the ends and go up to the root as I detangle. I'm gonna start here. And I'm kind of holding some so I literally don't go past that point. You can already see, and then I will move up. Be gentle with your hair. Don't just be, starting from the root and pulling through. Like, take it in sections, okay? Take it in sections so you're not breaking your hair out. That's not the goal. So the goal is to detangle. So I'm gonna go up a little more and gently comb through. And I literally just slide my finger up. You can already see how it's detangling and curling. All right, we're gonna go up a little more. Then I'm gonna go straight to the top and detangle all the way through. All right, we're gonna start at the bottom. I'm holding sections and detangle. And it literally looks great coming through. All right, and now here I'm gonna move up Ooh, girl, look at the curl. Curlfriend. Look at that. Okay. And you can even see the conditioners in there. You can even move around with it if you need to. To the front, the back, the side. I'm just moving it from the front. All the products in this video are from Silk and Satin Online Beauty Supply. Totally visit them for all of your hair essential needs, okay? So let me show you how it's all detangled together. Listen, Silk and Satin Online Beauty Supply hooked me up. Do you hear me? Curlfriend. Oh, look at. I'm gonna follow these same steps in all 4 sections, okay? I'm gonna add water, my conditioner, and detangle with my detangling brush, okay? Keep watching. Remember, you can use my promo code, okay, for your first order. The code is Curlfriend15. Curlfriend15. Visit Silk and Satin Online Beauty Supply at www.silk-satin.com for all of your healthy hair essentials. Let's let it sit and I'll wash it out. So I've let my hair sit with the conditioner in it, and now I'm gonna wash it out with cool or cold water. That helps to lock in the conditioner into my scalp and into my hair. And I like to take my time getting the conditioner out and really just allowing the water to flow through my hair at this moment. After that, I will add the leave-in conditioner from Design Essential Naturals. And I like to do this in sections, going from the bottom and then working my way up to the top, focusing on one side at a time, and then I'll twist it up and I'll do the exact same thing to the other side, adding my leave-in conditioner, working from the bottom and going to the top, running my fingers through, and then I will twist it up after I'm done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to go and visit Silk and Satin Online Beauty Supply at www.silk-satin.com for all of your healthy beauty supply needs. And you can use my promo code, okay? We have Curlfriend15, that means Curlfriend15, for 15% off your first order. Go ahead and check them out. Let me know what you guys think in my comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, do all those amazing things, and I'll see you in my next video.